Dad, ole kugatia, ole kuminyeta dad. Dai mwiri turodera hiki na nyune kuni embarrass. Halewe. What all this dad?
Ken. Tumira kiugo giaku wega muno. Maundu ni macenjetie muno thikũ ici. Njĩra ya ku avoid a childless life. No muhaka o make sure mũirĩtu ũrĩa ũrahikia ena nda mbere ya mũhikĩtie.
Dad, that's barbaric and nonsense. Na tutikonyitanira nawe.
Okay. No child, no marriage. Period. Tigo wako.
She's gone away from home. I've got to find sweet Sherry. She's left me all alone.
Turaga. Kurite thimu karega kuoya. Goka gwaku gakora gutari mundu. What is happening? Why are you treating me like this?
Nete ndireka Ken. Ni ungenjirite uria ciaria kuma hana.